Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Two stars orbiting each other looks tricky, but this one is quick. The whole question collapses once you focus on the interaction between the stars. First, notice this is an isolated system with only stars X and Y interacting, so the force on each star comes from the other star, not from anything else sneaking in. Now, use Newton's third law. When two objects interact, they exert forces on each other with equal magnitude and opposite direction, so the pull on X matches the pull on Y. That means the net force magnitudes are equal, so even if their masses and orbital radii differ, the correct relationship is simply Fx equals Fy. Well done, option A. Scan now. Don't rush into signs or extra formulas. Trust what's given and check the interaction step before deciding.